Sindi Dlathu and her sister are a perfect definition of twins. They look very identical and also have many things in common. Though Sindi Dlathu is a highly private person, she has made her twin sister known to the world. Sindi is the older twin. What most people find very intriguing is the identity of Sindi Dlathu's husband. Sindi Dlathu has a very beautiful twin sister. Wondering the name of Sindi Dlathu's sister? Her name is Zainel Saimuni and she is married to a businessman by name Matomila. Zainel Saimuni is a nurse. Matomila is also a local businessman who sells used cars in Soweto. He also owns a pawn shop. During the wedding of Zainel Saimuni and Matomila, many stars were present. Almost the entire crew of Muvhango attended the wedding to support Dlathu. Continue reading to see what Matomila, husband of Sindi Dlathu's sister, said during the wedding.
Yeah.